So, in another video, I talked about how to start a conversation with someone who you believe might be experiencing hoarding behaviors, or might be exhibiting, collecting tendencies, someone that you may feel has a shopping addiction and you're worried about them. Truly, hoarding itself is sort of a barrier, right, to social interaction, especially when you have people over to your home. That becomes a barrier to allowing people into your home and therefore allowing people into your life. And while I'm not a clinician, I will say that I've seen a lot of people use hoarding tendencies and behaviors as a way to socially isolate. And sometimes they do that on purpose, and sometimes they do it without knowing that they're doing it. So just having that basic understanding of, you know, some of the reasons why people are kind of shutting themselves in is helpful, instead of thinking that maybe they're just messy or they're out of control. And I know that some people are just very worried about their loved ones and their friends, and they're noticing things. And all of those things are very important to notice and to start the conversation with. I'm noticing that you seem to be is better than, I think your house is a mess. I'm worried you're hoarding. And I think you've got a spending problem. You order way too much stuff on Amazon. That's very critical, right? So you want to have these conversations that start with words like, you seem to be, or I'm noticing this. And it really does open up a much more kinder dialogue with that person than coming at them with offensive phrases.